This is a tutorial for Adobe Connect, a Flash-based player that allows you to video conference and share documents on your computer, tablet, or phone. So step one is to open up a web browser. Now, I recommend you use Firefox. Uh, Internet Explorer and Safari work great. There are some bugs with Chrome, so please don't use that. You get to this Adobe Connect landing page and you'll see enter as guest. Now this is for a student who's on the far side, but since we have credentials, we'll enter with our login. Now it takes a few seconds for it to start up, and this window pops up. Now, just to go over these windows, which Adobe Connect calls pods, we have the share my screen, we have our webcam, attendees, and then a chat box. Now, just something that you keep in mind, since this application has ran before on this computer, all the necessary plugins have been downloaded. Now, if you're using it on a computer that has never used Adobe Connect, it will prompt you to download the plugin, but it's fine, it works fine, it's a very small size, and once you do it, you don't have to do it again. So to show you the webcam, you go to this window on the top right, hit Start My Webcam, you're going to hit Allow, and now you see me right here in this window. So the next step is to hit Start Sharing. And now the people on the far side who are connected can see me now. Up here on the top, you'll see this icon that's green that we're sharing our webcam, and now we have to click on Connect My Audio. And if you make some sound, you'll see some bars coming out of the audio. So that's how we share our webcam. Share My Screen, on the other hand, has a few options. You can either share a document or you can share a whiteboard. What we normally do here is we'll hit Share My Screen. So it'll ask for desktop application or window. We always do desktop because it runs the smoothest. You're going to hit Share, and it'll minimize Adobe Connect. Now, whatever you're doing on your desktop, the people on the far end will see it here in this window. We don't see it obviously because we're the ones sharing. Another thing to keep in mind is if you haven't used Adobe Connect on the computer you're using it on, it will ask to download some software, and then it's going to restart Adobe Connect. So let's hit Stop Sharing. So now, if we had a student who wanted to log in, they would be on their home computer, they would hit log in on their side, and they're connecting right now. Just give it a minute. You'll see these two pop-ups right here on the top right and bottom. So what you do is hit Allow Everyone, and when you go to the attendee pod, you'll see them right here as student. Now, once you hover over them, you have the option of giving them presenter rights. What presenter rights does is it allows them to share my screen and share my webcam. Now, if you were looking at the computer of the student, they wouldn't have these tools right here. This would be all black. So to make them the presenter, you hover over their name and then you click Make Presenter. And that's it. On the far end, they will see all of these tools up here, and now they can share material. That pretty much sums up what you can do on here. Um, Thanks for looking.